Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right here, you're looking at one of our new styles when it comes to two-tap beer dispenser. Okay, brand on this unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot, as you can see in the front of the unit. Also on the front, you'll be able to locate your control or your temperature. This is where it's going to display temperature, and you can set your temperature range 33 to 41 Fahrenheit for this beer dispenser. Okay, as we mentioned, you have your tower here with the two taps that will be included. Also included for this unit is a CO2 tank. Okay, so all your parts are going to be in here for your CO2 tank. You also will be provided with wheels. Okay, so wheels are located on the inside. All the parts, your pressure meter as well, extra parts that you will need for that CO2 tank. Everything you need for the beer dispenser will be provided. Okay, now let's go ahead and measure this beer dispenser for you. For the length, you're looking at 24 inches. Front to back, 24. The overall height, you're going to be looking at about 37 inches high. Okay, with the tower, you're looking at about 51 inches high. Okay, you also have this little waste tray that you will be provided with as well. And if you follow me over to the back, you'll be able to locate your plug. On the very bottom over here, you have your plug. Runs on 115 volt. Okay, and your compressor is also located on the bottom. And on the very top of this unit, you have a sticker with all the specs regarding this unit, as well as circuit diagram and certification. Okay, so all the information you can locate on that back sticker for this beer dispenser. Okay, now let's go ahead and open up the unit, show you the inside. You will have two shelves provided, and you have a little sticker as well on the inside that go ahead and let you know what kind of kegs you can add in here, what size kegs will fit inside this beer dispenser. Inside measurements, you're looking at about 20.5 inches for the length. For the height, you're going to be looking at a total of about 27.5. Okay. Front to back, you're looking at about 20 inches, 20 for the front to back. You have a fan on the inside as well. More parts located on the inside. You have shelves as well included for this beer dispenser. Okay, so you have those shelves on the inside already installed as well. Okay, so this is going to be a two-tap beer dispenser. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information. Will be up on the website regarding this beer dispenser as well as the price. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we can help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.